Start Kibana by going to search-box server/Kibana. Open your browser to localhost 5601. Click on Management on the left-hand menu and configure your index. Click on the Visualize tab to create a new visualization from the index. After selecting the visualization, select the index. Configure the field and type of aggregation to view. Make sure to select the time range in the top left corner of the page. Data will not be aggregated if the right time is not selected. Apply the changes and view. You can save the visualization and add it to dashboard. You can also save searches and display them along with the visualizations in the dashboard.